Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying you have the right hardware and a safe baseline. Confirm your device uses a 3.5 mm jack and decide if you need TRS versus TRRS for mic or stereo. Once done, examine the plug and cable for bends, frays, or debris. Clean gently if needed. Make sure to power off or set volume to 0 to protect speakers. Now align the plug with the socket and insert straight in until you feel a click or gentle resistance, so contacts mate properly. After insertion, focus on system recognition and settings. Insert the plug straight and fully. Do not wiggle it while seating the connection. Once connected, open audio settings on your device and choose the correct playback or recording device, headphones, line out, or mic. Adjust volume to a low, comfortable level and play a short test clip. If no sound, try unplugging and reinserting or toggle the selected device. These steps ensure proper signal routing and prevent unexpected loud output when you raise volume. Finish by securing the cable so movement won't strain the jack. Use clips or route it away from edges. If your device lacks a 3.5 mm port, use a verified adapter or external DAC. Make sure it's compatible. Once working, set comfortable volume and test microphone levels if needed. If problems persist, troubleshoot. Confirm device isn't muted, update or reinstall audio drivers. Try a different cable or phone to isolate hardware faults. One quick tip: wiggle the plug gently to spot intermittent contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.